of my fabulous dog walker, Carla. And we're gonna do a one-day makeover on her living room. So we need some curtains. We wanna take this colorful rug, which I think is really great. I love how it repeats the art of a local artist that she has. So we wanna pull this out another maybe 18 to 20 inches because there's a little too much real estate underneath the rug. If you have a big sectional and you've got an area rug that is half underneath it, you can pull it out. It's okay if you've only got maybe half of it sitting on the sectional. So that's what we're gonna do, and do some rearranging, and then we need to find a piece, like some other pieces, to kind of make this wall look like a gallery wall. So we're gonna do that today. All right, taking the painting. Do you have a large empty wall in your house somewhere? It's especially important that you handle the area above your sofa. One little picture isn't going to cut it, or around your television to bring that wall to life. Well, I have a gallery wall module inside my styling school, and I have one more trend-proof your dream home webinars coming up in a couple weeks, where you can learn how to actually create the room that you're about to see, along with avoiding so many other mistakes in your home. I think this might go with her art, so I just thought I'd bring it. And then we'll also have the art to coordinate some paintings to go with it. I got the one and only little vignette. Look at this, super cute. She's got kids, so she doesn't have to worry about arranging it. It's adorable, nice and low on some books on her coffee table. That is the perfect little autumn vignette, okay, right? Then you change this out when Christmas comes. All right, this is Carla. And we're analyzing the navy chair, because like, how cute is this? When she first said, you can cross your legs, I sat down and went like this. She's like, no, no, that's not it. So what do you think?
I don't like this guy. I
No.
like everything else.
That's right. I mean, the colors are good, but it's an odd looking bird. So that's a no. I would do this, I would do these two over
That one?
over these two,
Oh, yeah.
right? Because,
Okay. Well, I'm down with that.
are you? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, then let's do that. We have the wall art. We have the vignette for the coffee table. We're gonna try two different ones for the, for her dining room. And yeah, so we're gonna gather it all up and get going. So we've got an assemblage of pillows here. I mean, for a sofa and for a little sectional sofa like this, 4 is the minimum, right? She loved this super fun little, it feels kind of boho to her. And we brought in the orange one and this one. I love that we found this orangey gold chair. It's so, so cute. It just, already it starts to feel like a decorated living room. Love it. Art next. I love the brown. Okay, we're back, day 2. We were gonna come here to just, finish the video, but what's bothering me about this gallery wall is how it's very sort of left heavy, and it just kind of dies over here. So because this is just one big painting and then we have these little pieces, I feel this should be in the middle. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna move it to the middle and then rearrange it. So because I'm obsessed, when we got there, we saw this rug. It's not actually bigger like I would have wanted, but the color was so good. Like it literally looks like we have shopped for days and hours trying to find the coordinating rug to match the colors. Like it's so awesome. I love her orange chairs. I just love this hit of color. And then we found this awesome little piece with the free bird. It's a free bird. And then notice how I layered the lamp over top of the art, okay? So this she already had, we moved it in here, and yeah, we could look for another piece, but right now I think that, you know, it works. I mean, the color works. We've got this cute little vignette up here. We've got a little umbrella because we found this one in our travels. And yeah, I think this room just is this joyfully happy room. Plus she is also a jewelry designer, so these are kind of like oversized beads. And I love this like organic bowl and this great little like, you know, rustic chunky little placemat that kind of ties in with the live edge table. Like I just love how this room turned out. I just love it. It's so good. So notice this isn't really super dramatic. Like we've spent $2,000 on this whole makeover, right? So it's the vignette on the table, the lamp, critical. I mean, you can't have these LEDs at night. You must have a lamp in each corner of the room. So of course I had to put a vignette in the kitchen. I found this awesome little stripe vase, which, as you know, stripes go with all patterns. So she's got this great little fabulous pattern happening that those are peel and stick tiles actually, just add some life to the gray and white kitchen. And so I love this little lamp. Really 18 inches is the average height. So this is just an inch lower and it's perfect because now you're not looking at the top of the light bulb. And now at night, you've got another corner, okay, that's lit up so that you've got atmosphere at night. That's what we need. Cookbooks here with her little collection of teapots. Super cute vignette. Timeless kitchen with the subway tile. We can add any color we want, which is exactly what she did with her island. And here we are. Okay, so this is so much better, all right? I have to say this might be the first time that I have actually hung a gallery wall with sort of a more oversized piece without another piece to balance it. And I realized in the middle of the night last night that, oh no, we have to change it. So it became a little more centered because when you think about your gallery wall, you actually want to think about it inside of a rectangle. I mean, it doesn't have to be like that, but I think for her case, we did. I think it looks better. And then she's got some carvings that she's done together with her dad. I just loved adding this artistic piece. You know, it's driftwood, right? Here she is.
Hey.
Here's my dog walker / jewelry designer. Yeah. And what did you think?
It's incredible. I appreciate you. Very happy from house to home for sure.
Yeah. And she was up till 5 o'clock in the morning when her friend
5:30.
arrived. 5:30
Couldn't sleep.
in the morning.
Just tearing with joy.
Yeah. See, that's the magic of just adding some color. I love that she already had the colorful rug. All we did was match the pillows to it and then the art, and it just all came together. And again, we have balanced lighting in the room. All 4 corners of the room are lit up with lamps.
It's just so cozy in here now.
Yeah. So good. We have a look and a feel, and that is the goal. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.